What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making air fryer croutons. I don't know about y'all, but it's really hard for me to find croutons that are dairy free, so I'm making my own. Start off by using your favorite bread. I'm using Dave's Killer bread. This is also a great way to use bread that's going to go bad soon, or to eat the ends of the bread that nobody likes. I really like doing this. Cut your bread long ways into strips and into tiny squares. Basically, just cut them into crouton shapes. Place your bread cubes in a bowl and top with olive oil and your desired spices. For these ones, I'm adding in some pepper, salt, and lemon pepper. Mix it all together until your bread is coated with your oil and spices. Place your cubes into the air fryer and spread them around. Set your fryer at 390 degrees for 15 minutes. Boom! Delicious, crunchy, and dairy-free croutons, perfect to spice up any salad. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all next week.